We're here today in downtown Burlington at our latest listing, and I'm going to give you the top 5 things you're going to love about this home. So the number one thing you're going to love in this home is that it's updated and move-in ready. You can see it's got beautiful floors, updated staircase. In the kitchen, we've got quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances. Love this herringbone backsplash. All the touches in here are perfect. Number 2 thing you'll love is the open concept floor plan. You can see kitchen, dining, and living flow together, and it's the perfect setup for entertaining and for living everyday life. Number 3 is location. We're planted here in downtown Burlington. You can walk to Lake Ontario and all the coffee shops and restaurants downtown. You've got Maple Ave Mall right across the street from you, and Burlington Go is just around the corner. If you want to live the urban lifestyle in the suburbs, this is the place to be. Number 4 thing you're gonna love is space. We're here in the primary bedroom, and we've got a king bed, we've got massive built-in wardrobes. It's huge in here. You've got another big bedroom over there. You saw how big the main floor was. And downstairs, you've got a rec room and a home office. In my opinion, these townhouses have the best space for the value. The number 5 thing you're gonna love about this home is the outdoor space. A lot of stacked townhouses, you do not get this. You maybe get a balcony, but here you get a patio, and there's a grassy area here for kids and pets to play as well. Guys, that's the top 5 things you're gonna love about this home, and there is so much more to love. If you wanna come see this in person, then send us a DM today.